First thing that happens is a car gets dropped off, we check over the car for any sort of damages, and then we go over the estimate, write it up for them, and then we send it over to our body shop, and we go over it with our body technicians, and then we send it over to the repair shop, gets repaired, and then it goes into detail, and then send the car back home, and customer's happy. My work-life balance is pretty easy, pretty nice. Just wake up on time, the same kind of time every day. Get here around like 8 o'clock, enjoy work every day, go home around 5 o'clock and get the rest of the time to myself. So the type of person you have to be to really come up into the body shop, someone that's motivated, someone that wants to keep excelling forward. The reason for that is because we're always trying to do something better. We never want to be happy with where we're at. We always want to keep moving forward. Yeah, we can be happy with the present, but always look for the future. I think growth is like the biggest thing with just the collision repair industry in itself. I started off just washing cars and just being like a detailer. Now I'm in the office writing estimates and getting to be an estimator. Like I said, my plan is to keep moving forward, and really the possibilities are endless of where you can keep continuing to move up.